Today we're hiking the grotto in Malibu, or at least I think we are. None of these signs specifically say grotto trailhead, but this one mentions that you can't camp at the grotto, so I'm thinking it must be this way. Hoping it must be this way. I guess I decided I'm just going to Happy Hollow trailhead. That's the one that makes the most sense to me. Happy Hollow kind of gives grotto vibes, but also it was supposed to be like almost a 2.5, 3 mile hike, so. Or wait, oh, okay, across. It took me a second, but like, wait, that's kind of cute. A lot of hikes around California tend to be really dry and dusty. It is a desert after all, but that's what I really like about coming up into the mountains, Malibu specifically. It's very lush. Also, it's like overcast and 60 degrees today, so it makes it nice. I'm gonna detour for like 500 feet and go see this oak grove, and then we'll come back. Because I'm pretty sure the grotto's that way. Totally worth the detour. There's like so many more off in that direction too. If I had a packed lunch or anything, I would stop here for my picnic. That was gorgeous. I'm so glad that we walked the little 2 minutes over here. This trail is marked moderate, which I just know to me means hard. And it is. It is. And as it gets harder, I'm like, I don't even think that this is the way to the grotto. I was going down along that creek. Now I've gone up and away from it though. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that's where I started. I'm pissed. Get him banned. This might be the first ever time I'm disappointed to see my car at the end of a hike. Like, is the grotto supposed to be hard to find, or am I just dumb? Because, like, where was it? I'm gonna have to research and come back another day. So I will see that grotto, especially now. I will see that grotto. Not today, but I will. That was a beautiful drive through the Malibu Mountains. I'm gonna throw that up on the channel as its own video. I'm near Thousand Oaks at Scorpion Canyon Park. We're gonna go see the Cave of Muntis. I've been walking for like 5 minutes. I can see the cave up ahead. That's why I said it was a short walk, but like steep scramble up. Let's see how bad it is. That was very steep. Very short, but very steep. And now that I'm here, I'm not so sure I can get up there. But we're gonna try. Actually, I'm pretty sure I can get up there. It looked like more flat from down there. There's like enough divots and stuff in the rocks. I'm pretty sure I can. That was a lot scarier than it was hard. This cave is a lot deeper and darker than I expected. This is cool. Very cool. Definitely worth the stop. Now to get back down that rope. Actually, I kind of just sat down and then slowly like slid down on my butt. I was afraid because I thought I was gonna have to like climb down backwards, but scooch my way down. I'm sunburnt and hungry. Let's go get Mexican food. It's a really pretty area other than the cave too. Maybe when I come back to do the actual grotto, maybe I'll explore this a little bit more too. Make a whole nother trip out of it. I came to a spot called Salsa and Beer. I hate trying to fight for parking in this parking lot though. It's so hard. I usually just park across the street and walk over.
I know.